So we got a tern here that's tangled up in the line. Brought him into the boat, and it's very important to control his head without squashing his throat or squashing his head. Make sure you don't twist his limbs, and also protect yourself from that sharp beak right there. So we're gonna just hold him and try to work on this braided line here. You can't get me, I got him underneath the head there. Almost got you out, buddy. All right, we're free. So now I just want to hold him gently and throw him away from any other rods and reels and line and anything like that. I'm going to throw him in that direction. And that's how you untangle a bird.